Hi, my name is Dawn Chapa, and it is the fall 2025 semester. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the 18 structures of the eye and their functions. I'm going to be using this diagram to go over those structures. Okay, we're going to start at the very front of the eye with the cornea. The cornea is the front transparent part of the outer protective layer of the eye. Its curvature provides the major refraction of the eye. It's located here. Next, we have the conjunctiva, located here. The conjunctiva is a clear membrane that covers the sclera and also lines the inner portion of the eyelids. Next, we have the canal of Slim, here, here. This is a collection canal that delivers the aqueous to the venous system of the body. Next, we have the iris, here and here. The iris gives the color of the eye. It also holds the pupil, which controls the amount of light entering the eye by enlarging or minimizing the size of the pupil. Next, we have the lens, here. The lens is the resilient, transparent structure of the eye that focuses light by changing its curvature. Next, we have the pupil, right here in the center of the iris. The pupil is the round hole in the center of the iris through which light passes. This is not something that you can touch, and it looks black when you look at it. Next, we have the aqueous humor here. The aqueous humor is a watery fluid that fills the anterior chamber of the eye and provides some of the nutrition for the surrounding parts. Next, we're going to move on to the suspensory ligaments here. These ligaments are long, thin fibers which connect the crystalline lens to the ring of the ciliary muscles. The ciliary muscles or the ciliary bodies are here, here. The ciliary muscles are muscles that control focus of the eyes by causing the lens to change shape. Then we're going to move up here to the ora serrata. The ora serrata is the area of the inner eye where the retina ends and the choroid layer of the eye can be seen. Ora serrata. Next we have in the back, moving to the back of the eye, we have the vitreous humor. This vitreous humor is a clear jelly-like substance that fills the posterior segment of the eye behind the lens. Here at the back of the eye, we have the optic nerve. The optic nerve is a bundle of fibers that carry vision-related impulses from the retina to the brain. Right in front of the optic nerve, we have the optic disc, or the blind spot. This head of the optic nerve where the ganglion cell axons exit the eye. Next, we have the fova centralis. Here. The fova centralis is the central portion of the macula and has the highest concentration of cones, and it is the only at the fovea that we can see 20/20 vision. Next, we have the macula. The macula is a small, thinned out area of the retina consisting of exclusively of cone photoreceptor cells. This provides the high visual acuity. Next, we have the retina. The retina is the inner lining of the back chamber of the eye, which contains photoreceptors, which are your rods and cones that receive light rays. They can convert these light rays into electrical impulses. Next, we have the choroid. The choroid here is a layer between the retina and the sclera, consisting primarily of blood vessels which provide nourishment to the retina. And lastly, we have the sclera. The sclera is the tough, white, fibrous outer protection layer of the eye. Before I leave you today, I just wanted to give you a little eye joke for fun. Why did the eye go to school? Because he wanted to improve his pupil. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video.